Hi everyone, I am going to share with you my purchase experience of Candy 190 liters refrigerator. I have purchased this from Flipkart. I placed the order on a Wednesday and I got it delivered 2 days after that, that is on a Friday. Mine is a small family, so this 190 liters would be sufficient for me. The cost of this refrigerator is 9,990 rupees and two offers were applied on it, and finally I got it for 8,625 rupees. The reasons why I have chosen this Candy refrigerator, major reason is the cost, because I couldn't find any other 190 liters refrigerator at this price, and this was manufactured and marketed by Haier Appliances. So Haier Appliances is a well-known brand, so believing that I have purchased this product. I have been informed the installation and demo will happen on Monday or Tuesday. Due to the COVID situations, there would be delay on it. So once installation and demo happens, I will share further more details. The installation and demo is done for my refrigerator. This was done by a Haier technician on the same day when I got it delivered from Flipkart. My actual plan was to position my refrigerator facing this direction and open the door this way. Since I don't have any power source near to my refrigerator, I have to stretch my cable till there. Considering all these, I have temporarily placed my refrigerator facing this direction. Once I get an extension box, I'll reposition my refrigerator. Talking about the exteriors of the refrigerator, this is grey in color. I think this is the only color available for this refrigerator. And the plastics are provided blue in color. The look is good. They have provided a lock and key. And you can find the brand name on the door. This is a 2-star refrigerator. This does not require a stabilizer since it has an inbuilt stabilizer. Talking about the bottom of the refrigerator, it is advisable to have a stand for your refrigerator to protect your floor from scratches. I have purchased a stand from a local store which costed me 180 rupees. Body of the refrigerator is made of aluminium, and they have provided a board on the back that covers the coils here and protects your kids from touching it. The bottom left corner is where the power cord starts from. This comes with a 5-feet cable, which is common with all the refrigerators. The black box what you are seeing at the bottom is the compressor. Noise is very minimal from the compressor. The grey tray what you are seeing above the compressor is where the drain water gets collected when you defreeze your refrigerator. This does not have an evaporator, so you have to drain it manually. You can use a sponge to extract the water out of it. Now getting into the interiors of the refrigerator, the gasket provided with the refrigerator is good. First let's cover the compartments on the door. So these are the compartments available on the door. The top compartment is provided with an egg tray which has capacity of 6 eggs, and you can have chocolates or any other items here. The next compartment is as similar as the previous one. You can have your medicines or any other items here. The next compartment is for soft drinks. This can easily have at least of 3 2-liter bottles. And the bottommost compartment is for 1-liter bottles, which can have at least of 4 1-liter bottles. Talking about the modes available on the refrigerator, this comes with 4 modes: winter, monsoon, summer and off. Based on your need, you can switch to specific mode. When you want to defreeze your refrigerator, you can press the center button here. Talking about the freezer box is spacious. They have provided an ice tray. You are seeing lines inside this, right? That is where the cooling coil runs. Even if you are cleaning your freezer box, please make sure you don't damage these coils. You are seeing a red mark here, right? When ice covers up this red mark, that means that is the time you have to defreeze your refrigerator. Next, coming to the dairy compartment below the freezer box, you can have at least 4 500 ml milk packets here, and there are 2 small compartments on the sides where you can have 200 ml packets. You can see a funnel at the bottom of this dairy compartment, right? That is where your drain water flows through and gets collected into the drain box, which I showed at back of the refrigerator. Talking about the storage space, They have provided 2 toughened glass trays. So there are 3 compartments in total, and they have provided us levels. You can remove the trays and reposition it to other levels based on your need. Talking about the bottom compartment of the refrigerator, here you can have your fruits and vegetables. The plastic of this container doesn't look great, but it is good to use. This refrigerator comes with 1 year of comprehensive warranty and 10 years of compressor warranty. If you ask me whether we can go ahead and buy this refrigerator, yes, definitely you can purchase this one. Considering the cost, quality and the brand support what we are getting, you can definitely consider this refrigerator. I am using it for the past 3 days and I am having a happy experience with it. Hope this video was useful for you. If you like it, you can press the like button. If you have any questions or comments, you can post it on the comments section. Thanks for watching the video.